channel. I try to recreate this Hania Amir's look. I have always liked this look. I have this picture of Hania. I don't know which event or I just found it on Pinterest, but I really love that look. So I just tried to recreate it. I'm going to show all the steps that I've done here, and it is a very simple look. It takes around 30 minutes to get ready. I hope you all enjoy it.
First, I used a moisturizer, my lotion and sunscreen to prepare my skin, and then I took my concealer and put it around my eyes and also did some spot concealing. For brightening, I took a brightening concealer and apply it, and then I used Etude water tint for blush and I blended it with my hand. I applied blush on my cheeks and on my nose. Then I took my Wet n Wild foundation and mixed it with my Glam Sunburst Glow and applied it with my foundation brush on my blush and all over my face. And then I took a little bit more blush and applied it, and then blended everything with my foundation brush. I used Glam translucent powder to set my face, and I set my eyes with a puff, and then I took powder contour to contour my jawline and my cheeks and my nose. I used Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette number 4, and from that palette I took the taupe eyeshadow and used it all over my eyes, and I also applied it on my lower eyelash. And then I mixed the darker eyeshadow with the taupe color and applied it only on the outer corner of my eyes. I brushed my eyebrows and set my eyebrows with eyebrow powder. Then I took my highlighter and applied it on my cheeks, nose and inner corner of my eyes and on the brow bone. I'm curling my eyelashes and applying my Maybelline Lash Sensation mascara. I'm applying it on my upper lashes and on my lower lashes. Then I'm going to take a lip liner. This is from Beauty Glazed. This is in the shade Rose Dust and applied it. I'm using Swiss Beauty Peaches and Cream lipstick. Finally, I'm using a nude eyeliner to line my waterline. And our look is done. Hope you enjoyed it.